Hello, sight singers. We're here for video 10, our last one before the school break, and we're in our F position. Let's review it. Do, get to the pitch. Do, I did the C. This is F. Do, re, mi, fa, so. So the F, G, then we start again with A, B, C. That's one of the cool things in music. We go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then we start again. So we're starting on F, so halfway through. F, G, A, B, C. Let's do our do, re, mi, fa, so. And let's sing that. Do, re, mi, fa, so. And this is using the G or the treble clef. It's called G clef because the G line is right here, and look how many times that touches. But the actual reason is, long ago when they first called it the G clef, G's didn't have this part. I mean, the treble clef didn't have this part. It just had what looked like a backwards G. Okay, here it is in real notation. Let's sing that. Oh, let's say it first. Do, re, mi, fa, so. And this will be our do. Remember, you can start do on any line or space as long as you do the very next note in line, saying re, mi, fa, so accordingly. Here we sing do, re, mi, fa, so. Good. Now, I have an example that does that. Oops, on the flip side of this. So let me turn that over and we'll read through it first. So here's your do on that first space note. Do, let's say it. Do, re, mi, fa. Now the stems are down. You wonder why. That's so that if they had words up here, it wouldn't get right in the middle of it. Let's start again. Do, re, mi, fa, so. So that's what we just sang. It just looks different because of the stem being down. Let's sing that much. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Then it just goes backwards. Fa, see, same as that. Mi, same as that. Re, same as that. Do. And it has a few more notes. We'll do those in just a minute. Let's do the up and down. Here we go. Do, re, mi. This is still fa with the stem going the other way. Fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now what's those next notes? That's the same as that and that and that on the second line. So it's do, re. It's re. Do, re. Next note on the very next space. So that's me, just like it was here. Do, re, mi. Do it here. Do, re, mi. There's two of them. Mi. Then it goes down one. Do that re. Remember? Do, re, re. And that's the end of the first phrase. I'm going to show you the second phrase that ends the song in just a minute. All right, let's do the whole first phrase. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re. Now back to do. Do, re, mi, re. So you know the song hadn't finished. If I were playing it, would do like this. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re. Do, re, mi, re. So you know, and here's what comes next. It starts the same, but it's going to end differently. So here's let's name it with me. Do, re, mi, fa, so, backwards, fa, mi, re, do. Then up one to re for two counts. See, there's your re again. Do, re, so, do, two, re, do, 2, 3, 4. So generally, always, a song will end on the do. I know that's that's a little crooked here. Let me fold it so it can look a little better. There, now it looks a little straighter. Okay, let's sing this whole second part. And then for our grand finale, we'll sing both phrases. And then I'll show you a hymn that you can apply it to. That we'll sing Sunday. Do, re, sing with me. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Then backwards. Oh, can you say it backwards? So, fa, mi, re, do. Now you don't have to do your hand, but it helps you remember. So, fa, mi. That's, oh, me should have been that. So let's start. So, fa, mi, re, do. So let's do that. So, hands like this. So, fa, mi, re, do. Go up. Do, re, mi, fa, so. And back. So, fa, mi. I'm going to get that mi straight. Re, do. Now, the only difference in our song between that and what I just did is they don't say the so twice. So let's practice that. Don't repeat the so, just start going back down. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Good. Do it with the notation. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re. And here's your do, do, 2. Then up to re, re, 2. And then do for 4 counts. Do, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's do the whole song. All right. Here's the first phrase. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, re, 2, 3, 4. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do, 2, re, 2, do, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Okay, let's apply it to a hymn. This Sunday we're singing Fairest Lord Jesus. Now, if you're watching it some other time, that's okay. It's the same principle. Now, I don't have the words underneath here, but let's look at the pitches for Fairest Lord Jesus. So the first phrase, let me move this so I can have room to put it. There we go. Do, 2. Do, do, re. Now, we learned this leading tone a couple weeks ago. Ti, do. Now, if you didn't get the T on that week, you can learn it now. Ti, do. That just means it leads right into the do. It's the next to the last note of the scale going up. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Now, this is in the key of F, so it gets pretty high. But we're staying mid-range, which is why they use different keys. Because if this were in the key of C, later on the song, it might be too low for people. And if it were higher, and it would get too high for people. So F is just right for this song. All right, let's do our do's. Here we go. Do, do, do. Up 1 to re. T, the one, that's the line right before the do. T, do. If do is on a space. If do is on a line, the T will be a space note. Okay, it's always the note before. All right, now let's sing the pitches. Do, 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 re, ti, do. Good, now add the words, fairest Lord Jesus. Fairest Lord Jesus. Now, I thought you all could go ahead to the next line. That was re up here. Do, re, and this starts on the mi because it's the space right here. Do, re, mi. Let me show you on this. So we have do, re, mi. So we're starting the second line on mi. Mi, 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 fa. Let me put it where it's up. Re, me, up one to fa. Skip down to re. You know that's re because the do is right here. Re, me. All right, let me show it to you on the board. Here's your me. Oh, yeah. Me, fa, re, and there's your me. So you have a lot of me's, don't you? Now, the reason why you have more notes is because the words, you'll have one on each word. Me, fa, re, me. Ruler of all nature is the word. You want to sing the words? Ruler of all nature. So ruler, each syllable had its note. Ruler of all nature. Now let's do it again on me. Me. Fa, re, me. Good. Let's start at the beginning. Do the whole that line. Fairest Lord Jesus, fairest Lord Jesus, ruler of all nature. Good. Let's do it on the do, re, mi's. Do, re, ti, do. Starts on me. Now, they're all the same there. Me. Fa, re, me. Good. But I want you to end with just doing the first ones. Do, re, ti, do. Let's sing the words. Fairest Lord Jesus. Fairest Lord Jesus. Now, when you see it in our hymnal, it starts on a different line or space, but it starts on a line note. But it's the same thing. Do, re, ti, do. And so now you know the rest of the story. You know how to decipher that notes. So that's a good place to stop before our summer break. And thank you for joining me for learning how to sight sing. All right. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.